Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the smart lighting and Relight features in CapCut to fix your photos with just one click. So whether your face is in the shadows or the background is too dark, this AI tools acts like a portable studio light in your pocket. So first, I'm going to show you where to find the Relight tool in the CapCut menu. So once you open CapCut in mobile, you can just go to the photo tools, click on the photo tools, and here you can just spot the smart lightings. You can click on that, and here you can select the photos that you want to edit. Okay, so for example, in here, I'm going to fix. Okay, this photos, you can just tap on next, and in here there are three options that you can choose: the retro light, flash, or studio. So in here I'm going to just use the retro one. Click on the options that you prefer, and CapCut will applying the lighting effect. You can just wait until it's finished. Okay, so here is the result. As you guys can see, it's now has a better lighting. So you can just tap on a check icon, and in here if you want to adjust it more, you can choose this option. There are enhance, adjust, smart lighting. Again, you can remove the background or remove something from your photo using the AI remove. But if you're already satisfied with the result, you can just tap on save at the top. So that's how you can use the smart lighting feature in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.